What's going everybody? Welcome back to the new episode of Unbox now. Today I have with me Amazfit Bip smartwatch. So let's get started. So you can see here is the pack and here is the back side. In the back side we have got some documentations. So let's cut the plastic. Amazfit Bip is one of the most popular smart band right now because its price range. So here is the beautiful watch. Here is the watch and we have got another box. So let's check what inside the box. You can see we have got the charging dock. Here's the charging dock and with USB port, so you can charge it by any USB adapter. And here is the user manual, and here is the watch, and its body is made of polycarbonate and the strap is made of silicone. So let's peel off the sticker first. So its strap is so soft. And in the back side we have got the heart rate sensor and 2 pins for charging and some manufacturing informations. So you can see it has a spring mechanism so that you can easily change the strap, and its strap size is 20mm. So if you looking for its replacement strap, that will be the size. It has a crown here. So now let's start the watch. It has 1.28-inch 2.5D Gorilla Glass screen and 190 mAh battery. So now let's connect it with the mobile. So you need to download the Mi Fit app first from the Play Store or the App Store. So I have downloaded it now, and let's connect. So you need to sign in first. So I am signing with my Facebook account for making it earlier. Now you need to put some information, your state, target, and you can see no paired device there. So now let's pair the watch. So pairing the watch is so easy. Just tap on the watch and then Amazfit Bip. Now you can see it's searching for the phone, and you can see it has find it. Now just put on the green and it's good to go. It's pairing now. So you can see it has successfully paired, and after pairing you can see it has got a firmware update instantly. So I have finished the update just now. It has taken some times. Now let's check the feature of the watch. So if you swipe left, you will see status, and the status will got your step, heart rate, distance and calorie burnings. And in the activity menu you can find outdoor running, treadmilling, cycling, walking, and your activity history and your activity setting. So that's all in the activity setting. And its weather, it will show you location, weather, and alarm, timer, compass, and setting. So in the setting, first we have got the watch face, and it has so many watch face, you can change it anytime, and it's so easy. And you can also download some from the internet. Here are some preloaded watch faces, so I want to select this watch face. So you can see I have selected the watch face, and in the bottom we have got long button press. If you long press the crown, which program will start? You can set set according to your choice. And here is adjust brightness. You can adjust brightness, which is good to see. And here is find my device. Obviously it will find your phone if you lost somewhere else. And you can see here is the firmware version of the watch, and here is the factory reset. And last we have got the power switch. So that's pretty much of the features. And now let's check the app. So in the app you will get your workout histories, outdoor running, treadmilling, outdoor cycling and walking. You can start a workout. And you can see here is the battery status of the watch and your step goal and your activity alerts and wake up notification. And in the setting you can adjust your units, turn on notification shade and check for updates. So that's all for today. Hope you liked this video, and if you like, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for the future update. Thanks for watching.